Hi everyone! Happy Sunday morning sa inyo! Kamusta kayo? Bukas na po tayo mag-pick a card reading. So, what we are doing right now is a general love reading para po sa inyo. Okay, so kung ano po yung ma-pick up natin na energy, I hope mag-resonate sa inyong lahat. So, this is for the month of January. For those who comment and request again a topic, wait lang po kayo. Malay nyo po bukas is gawin natin yung another request from one of the subscribers of Leluna, okay? And for those asking for individual zodiac signs, I will do all zodiacs, okay? Um, hiwa-hiwalay from earth, water, air, okay, and fire sign, okay? So, abangan nyo po yon guys. Okay. So, marami pa tayong exciting topic na darating kasi I do purchase different decks again na magagamit natin sa ating reading, especially sa pick a card and general love reading. So, abangan nyo po yan guys, abangan nyo. Okay, so start na tayo. General love reading for my viewers, okay, in the month of January. So guys, again, take what's resonate, leave the rest. Kung hindi mag-resonate sa inyo, okay lang. Marami pong nanonood. Kaya po pwedeng ibang energy po yung mapipick up natin ngayon sa reading, okay? So, actually, this is for a love reading, general love reading. Pero kung may mapick up tayo na every other information when it regards to finances, career, family, okay? So, mas maganda. Ang bilis ng araw. Kahapon nag-upload lang ako weekends or start of weekends. Ngayon Sunday na and then tomorrow is weekdays na naman. So yung ibang busy sa trabaho. Kamusta kayo? Hello. Okay, so start na tayo. Love reading. Ano ba gusto na malaman ng aking mga lovely viewers right now? When it comes to love, anong energy mapipick up natin sa reading ngayon? Ngayong umaga. It is already 3:58 a.m. here. Okay. So, grab your coffee guys para sa ibang nagkakape at maagang gumising. Okay. So, tingnan natin. First, we are getting information sa tarot card. And then lately, kuha tayo ng any info or advice sa oracle card. So, meron tayong bagong card na angel advice. So, titingnan natin. General love reading for my lovely viewers. Please give me messages or any information that resonates sa ating mga lovely viewers. Please, angel, spirit guides, divine Lord, higher being. Please give me cards for my lovely viewers. Okay. So, hinaan nyo guys yung volume ninyo, baka malakas sa side ninyo. So, first, we have a Six of Swords transition. So, there is someone o pwedeng coming towards you. Okay, or traveling towards you. Or someone is in a healing process right now. Or moving on. Okay, moving on a relationship. Uy. Seven of Swords. Six of Swords and Seven of Swords. Air sign. Gemini, Aquarius and Libra. Mhm. So, meron ako nakuha dito na someone is coming towards, okay, merong papunta na person going to another person. Why? Maybe some sa inyo is someone will apologize, okay? Mhm. Confessing to other person kung ano yung mga nagawang kasalanan niya, okay? Confessing yung katotohanan, kung meron mang tinago tong person na 'to sa'yo, okay? Taking a risk, okay? If someone, guys, is being shady or nagsinungaling sa'yo before, okay? If this person is not truthful sa'yo before, maybe this person this time realized na kailangan niyang come clean, okay? Siguro para pakinggan mo siya or tanggapin or kausapin. This time, this person has a good intentions, okay? Towards someone o pwedeng sa'yo, sa aking mga viewers, okay? Uh, or maybe for some of you naman guys, someone is running away, okay? Or having a journey. So merong lalayo, meron akong nakita dito na may someone na coming towards to someone, and sa iba naman sa inyo, meron namang someone na lalayuan ang other person, okay? Okay, so meron akong nakita dito na justice card, okay? It can be a Libra, oo nga, air sign, okay? Having an integrity, integrity and telling a truth, okay, about a situation. So, ano kaya yon? Ah, so titingnan natin. Traveling, okay. Getting into a calmer waters with someone. Mm. Or maybe, yung tension between the other person and sa'yo, kung sino man yung viewers ko right now, whether this is the person, yung ikaw yung nakukuha kong energy, or whether this person na, this is a love reading, right? Nakukuha natin is nasa process ngayon ng ano, realizing, okay, moving forward, okay, or siguro na-realize mo sa viewers ko na kumbaga okay na, siguro maybe it is happened matagal na. Meron akong nakuha na nangyari matagal na. Okay. Ace of Pentacles, potential for abundance, okay. Maybe for some of you is moving a job, okay. Turning over a new leaf of faith, okay. Po pwede sigurong you risk, okay. Yung iba sa inyo nagte-take risk to a new opportunity, new job, okay. New financial, alam mo yun, new financial journey, okay. Pero yung iba sa inyo meron ako nakikita new business, new job, okay, having an investment, okay. Maybe minamanifest mo to matagal na. It can be. So, tingnan pa natin. Or maybe someone is coming towards you to offer you uh, opportunity, or sabihin natin ask you or want to tie up with you in a business, gusto kang maging partner or invest, okay? And this person has a very truthful kind of a person. This person is trustworthy. If this is not a lover, okay. It can be a lover, but kung hindi to yung talagang ano, maybe this is a new person na coming towards you, na first is magiging partner mo sa trabaho, sa business, and then siguro a prospect in love. Okay. So, titingnan natin. So, ano pa ba yung mapipint up natin para sa ating viewers? Oops, thank you. Uy! Four of coins. Four of pentacles. So, for some of you guys, um, if you have having a issue, or if you are the person who is holding on to people, okay, or has a past issues na hindi pa nare-resolve, okay, maybe this is the time to, alam mo yon, to have a new leaf of faith, okay, to move on, okay, to move forward, yes, um, tanggapin ko ano yung nangyari from the past, okay, kasi there is so much possibility na new doors are opening sa'yo, whether it is in a job, a business, or a new person, okay, a partnership, okay. So, some of you, you need to budget, okay, your finances, okay, plan your expenses, yes. Oh. Or maybe some of you is learning to save money. Yes, being stingy on money, to have a savings, okay, or invest. Siguro yung iba sa inyo is nagtitipid. Meron akong nagtitipid kasi meron kayong pag-i-investan, okay, whether this is a travel, okay, or sabihin nating going somewhere. Okay. So, kuha pa tayo ng one card. If this, guys, if this is about love, okay, which is, this is a general love reading nga. Someone is coming towards you, okay, offering a new beginning, offering a new relationship or new start, okay. This person maybe confess something, okay. Whether this is a past person or a new person, okay. Meron ako nakikita dito na if you have a past issues not resolved, when it comes to love, you need to heal. Yes, you need to heal. You need to paano nga ba dito? You need to acknowledge that issues na meron ka sa love section, okay, from the past. Kasi baka merong new person na coming towards you, na papunta sa'yo, or meron kang new person na makikilala. Okay, whether this is a King of Swords, okay? Meron kang new person na makikilala, a new partner, maybe in job or business. This is not sneaky. Hindi to sinungaling. Yes. Malinis ang intention nitong person na to. For some of you, ha, guys. Some of you still hurt or still has a Three of Swords. Okay. Maybe from the past hurts or past seated something, okay. So, lumabas na ang ating Four of Cups, okay, a water sign. So signifies someone, maybe if this is from the past, okay, returning to you, maybe you refuse the offer of this person, okay, whether come clean pa tong person na to or bumawi sa'yo or malinis ang intention niya, kung ano man yung reason niya, kung ano man i-confess nitong person, maybe you refuse this person offer, okay, hindi mo na tatanggapin. Hindi mo na siya tatanggapin kung ano man yung sasabihin niya. Okay? Hindi mo na tatanggapin kung ano man yung i-confess niya. Okay? Or it can be, meron akong nakita, ngayon lang ha. For some of you, if you have a love issues, seated, a skeleton in the closet, narinig ko, you need to acknowledge that and fix that issues na meron ka. Kasi there is someone new, okay, coming towards you, okay, and offer a new start, whether this is starting as a friend, this is a potential for abundance na po pwedeng tumagal, po pwedeng this is a for long term, okay. So if you are still holding on sa past, okay, you need to acknowledge that issues, okay? Kasi baka magkaroon ka ng missed opportunities. Okay, meron ako nakikita dito na kapag hindi mo inayos yung kung meron ka mang trust issues or problema na or trauma from the past, you need to acknowledge that. Kasi malinis yung intention nitong person na to, whether this is a new person, guys. Meron akong nakikita, malinis ang intention nito. Po pwedeng this is a provider, a good person who will help you, okay? Kasi this is meron akong nakikita na potential nga. This person is a potential na a long-term partnership, okay? A stability, stable relationship, yes. Meron akong nakikita dito. This is a opportunity, guys, in a love, in a money, okay? And this is a stable kind of a person. Kaya please lang, yung iba sa inyo, please heal, okay? Please acknowledge your issues, trauma. Kasi ayoko na yung ibang sa inyo is ma-miss opportunity nyo to, ma-miss ninyo. Kasi if you have a trust issues pa rin sa love, okay? Baka isipin mo na itong person na to is hindi maganda ang intention sa'yo. Pero ngayon pa lang sinasabi ko sa inyo, this is a honest person, okay? Hindi to sneaky. Hindi to sneaky. Kasi if the Seven of Swords is in the upright position, this is a deceit, a trickster, okay, kind of a person. A cheater, okay, a theft, okay, a facade attitude of a person, okay. So if this is in downward position, this is a good person. This is a honest person with integrity. Okay? So, ayokong ma-miss opportunity nyo yon. Okay? Kasi mamaya baka this is the one or this is your person. Okay? Meron akong nakikitang ganun. You need to surrender. You need to trust the process. Okay? Meron akong narinig. You need to surrender, trust the process. Yes. Kasi this is a good person. So, tingnan natin. Kuha nga tayo ng advice para sa inyo. Love advice. Love advice para sa inyo, guys. So, kuha tayo. Kung ano ba yung kailangan nyong gawin. Kasi nakita ko dito malinis ang intention nitong person na to. Yung iba sa inyo, maybe, this is a new person or a friend. So, tingnan nga natin. Ano yung love message oracle na ibibigay sa'yo? Sa akin mga viewers. Last shuffle. Guys, maraming salamat dun sa patuloy na nagre-request ng topic. Nababasa ko po yun. Nababasa ko yung request ninyo. Bottom of the deck, after shuffling, you are enough. The person you are meant to be with will love you the way you are. You don't need to change. So, tandaan nyo yun guys ha. You don't need to change, you are enough. So, if you have trust issues, or parang, ano nga ba ito? Inferiority issue, please do acknowledge that. So, tingnan natin yung advice sa'yo. Oops. Divine timing. Be patient while things are unfolding. This connection is worth the wait. This is, kaya, yung iba sa inyo, please heal, ha? Hindi ko sinasabing, sinasabing lahat mag-resonate sa inyo kung sino man yung hindi pa heal until right now or this time na mapanood nyo tong general love reading natin. Pero ayoko na, sabi ko nga sa inyo ayoko na magkaroon kayo ng regrets when it comes to this new person, if this is a new person sa love, okay? Ayokong i-take down mo tong person na to kasi masyadong high yung standard mo. Alam mo yun, ayoko magkaroon ng miss opportunity dito kasi mamaya, this is the one. Okay? Meron ako nakikita. This is, kung yung pala, right time na yon, yung pagdaan niya na yun, hindi ka pa heal. So, ano mangyayari? Magkakaroon ng miss opportunity. Yes. Someone here is focusing on the negative. Okay? Not taking chances. Not taking a risk. Okay? This is a person who is honest. Malayo to dun sa person. Siguro kung you have a trust issues kasi someone is being deceitful sa'yo on the past, this is a honest person. Oh, they are the one. You have already met the romantic partner you seek. Ano yung sinabi ko? It could be the one. Uh-huh. It could be the one. Yung new person coming towards you. Okay? Maliit ang percentage dito na may nakikita ko na from the past yung lalapit or magkakaroon ko rin ng connection kasi some of you guys, this is a new. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Oops, thank you. Gratitude. You need to be grateful for the love already present in your life to attract more of it. So, someone or some of you already meet this person, okay? Kaso nga lang, you are still healing or you are still tawag dito? You are being pessimistic. You focused on the negative, okay? Not looking, meron akong nakita dito, 5 of Cups, okay? Focus pa rin dun sa hurt. Bakit ako niloko? Bakit ganito nangyari sa akin? Kulang ba ako? Kasi siguro kayo, some of you guys is niloko from the past, okay? Niloko ka ng person mo before, okay? And nagpo-focus ka doon. Hindi mo inaalagaan yung sarili mo, okay? You are more on the negative side, okay? Being remorseful, okay? Still remembering the past, okay? Guys, if you, kung nakilala mo tong person na to, ay nako, ewan ko na lang, ha? Ilang cards na to. Be grateful and stay optimistic. Positive thinking and faith will bring romance into your life. If you are being negative right now, please acknowledge the issue. Okay? Change your mindset. Hindi natin makokontrol yung ibang tao, hindi natin makokontrol kung ano pa man yung gusto nating i-control, okay? Huwag maging controlling sa mangyayari. Ang gawin lang natin, be open, okay? Alam mo yon, be open, have an open mind, have an open heart, okay? Be optimistic. I know, hindi siya madali, pero if you feel contented, okay, you love yourself, doon kasi magsisimula yon. Okay? Being positive ka, you feel good. O yan, doon mag-start lahat kasi yon, guys. Okay? Make the effort. This love is worth taking risk. You are called to move forward. Ano sabi dito? Six of Swords is a card of moving on, moving forward. Okay, move on, guys. Move on. Two cards confirming to move on. Move forward. Take a chance, take a risk. Okay? Hindi pare-parehas ang person. Kung niloko ka before, kung nawala yung tiwala mo sa ibang tao, hindi pare-parehas ang tao. Meron mga mabubuting tao pa rin and tapat. Make the effort. Move on. Okay? True love. This is the romance of a lifetime. True and lasting love is here for you. Guys, I'm telling you. Nababasa ninyo, nakikita ninyo. Okay? This is a true love. This is a honest person. This is a kind of a person who has a potential, okay, to a long-term relationship or marriage, okay? Last two cards for my viewers. Oops, thank you. Oh. Oh my God, redirect your thoughts. Focus on what you want to attract in this relationship, not on what you fear will happen. Thank you, Angel. Thank you, Lord. Ano sabi ko? Don't be negative. Don't be remorseful. Ay, nako. Open yourself to others. This is how you will create new friendships and attract a love relationship. Anong sabi ko sa inyo? This someone who will coming towards you, maybe from the start, it is a friendship pa. Okay? A partnership on a job or a business. Okay? Di ba? Nakakatuwa. And doon mag-i-start yung love relationship. Oh. Leave your fears behind. They are stopping this relationship from blossoming. If you already meet this person, don't be fearful. Trust the process. Leave your fears behind. Kasi baka wala naman sa ibang tao ang problema. Baka ikaw na ang may problema. Okay? Wala na akong masabi. This is the card. Okay? Leave your fears behind. They are the one. You have already met the romantic partner you seek. This is the one, guys. Patient. Some things still need to be dealt with for this connection to manifest. I'm telling you. Finish na, guys. Anong sabi ko sa inyo? If you have a traumatic experiences from the past, still not healing, still not acknowledging your past traumas, past issues with someone, okay, guys, ako na nagsasabi, patience, you need to acknowledge that. Okay, maybe meron akong nakikita dito na merong delays. Kasi nga, kailangan yung mag-move on, mag-heal. Acknowledge your trauma. May delays dito na mangyayari. Okay? Pero yung iba sa inyo, nakita ko, nakilala na. Yung person na hinahanap nila. Okay. So, kuha tayo ng um, angel number for you guys. Kuha tayo ng angel number. So, kanina lang to dumating, guys. This is an angel number. Ano ba yung advice ng ating angel sa'yo? What number ang makukuha ng aking mga lovely viewers for today? Angel number. Kuha tayo ng tatlong card. Oops, thank you. 20. I am harmonious. You relate to others on an almost cosmic level. You are dedicated to building harmonious relationship of all kinds. You have the ability to persuade others to your point of view by using gentle means. For some of you, kailangan yung magkaroon ng mantra araw-araw, every morning, na you are enough, okay? Meron ako nakikitang ganon. Kailangan meron kayong mga positive na sinasabi araw-araw, okay? About yourself. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, meron ako nakikita may superiority, mababa ang self-esteem. Mababa ang self-esteem. Hindi confident. Kasi nga, maybe for some of you, niloko kayo before. Thank you. Number 31. I am disciplined. Your approach to life is an effective mix of both practicality and imagination. Your mind is steering with creative ideas. So, your mind is powerful, guys. And you have the organizational skill to manifest them to life, okay? You are a good manifester, okay? Kaya, kung negative thinker ka, yun ang ma-attract mo. I'm telling you. Okay? So, you need to discipline yourself. Ibahin mo yung mindset mo. You are the creator of your life. 0, 0. I am creator. You are the one with the creator and there are no limits to what you can achieve. You have the ability to create something new and incredible in your lifetime here on earth. Okay, so some of you, malakas kayo mag-manifest. Okay, you have the power of manifestation. Kung ano yung iniisip ninyo, yun ang na-attract ninyo. Kaya, be careful sa iniisip ninyo. Okay, guys? Kasi, kung positive ang iniisip nyo, yun ang mangyayari. Kung negative ang iniisip nyo, lalo na sa sarili ninyo, and sa other person, sa other or sa ibang tao, yun kasi ang lalabas at mangyayari. Okay, kaya sabi ko, ayusin nyo yung sarili ninyo, acknowledge your traumas, okay? Be positive, trust the process. If you have a trust issues, okay? So guys, maraming salamat sa panonood ng ating general love reading. I hope nag-resonate sa inyo to. If nag-resonate sa inyo to guys, please do subscribe, leave a comment, and like this video. Help me reach my first 2K this January. Okay, so tomorrow I will upload a pick a card, so abangan ninyo. Okay? So maraming salamat sa inyo guys. Happy Sunday. Go to church, okay? Kung yung iba is, I have a respect to other religions, okay? Pray and have a positive mindset, okay? Para yun ang ma-attract ninyo, okay? I'm sending love, positive light sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa nag-subscribe and patuloy na nanonood. God bless sa inyo. Magandang umaga, okay? Bye!